that's fine. Oh, what the fuck?
Today we're doing an oil change for his Subi, and then we're doing an intake for my car. But mostly just for his Subi.
And we're cleaning my intake too, I'm stoked.
Because this guy hasn't changed his oil in how long?
About a year and a half, too.
What the fuck is that? Dude, it smells like shitty cleaner.
It smells like fucking fish.
Oh god, dude, that smells terrible.
It smells horrible.
Well, this is how you clean your intake, I guess.
Clean your intake, boys and girls.
Because this one hasn't been cleaned in
30 years.
Sick. Alright, time to read the instructions. Not really. I'll figure it out. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a dress shirt, jeans, and Crocs, well, I'm not going under my car, and I came back from work, so I ain't changing. That's doing too much. See, this why you have a friend that can do this kind of stuff. Thank you, sir.
Of course.
Thank you. You think just
nice.
There we go.
Fucking shit.
Pulled it off. Now I was gonna unbolt the air box and everything. So this what the factory hose intake looks like on the bottom. This is what an empty bay looks like now. So see this and that.
Oh, what the fuck? Did it pivot too much?
No way. We just held it the hook. I told you, dude! What'd I do?
Let's think creatively.
Ah, shit. Alright, I got here.
Is it?
We're gonna use duct tape because duct tape solves everything. You think that's gonna hold?
Hold for now.
Well, basically, I fucked up and this tube right here, as you just saw, we duct taped the shit out of it. Like, I was like right down there. Because I snapped the tube. But whatever. Next thing is taking this and putting it right over here. Well, basically I put this in. Now I have to take out the T30 Torx right here and put in an insulator, I guess, so it doesn't jiggle around as much. Not too sure what's going on, but I'm just following directions. Instructions. Not really. I'll figure it out. So this is gonna be the first start of the car. The new intake.
Sick.
Wait, is it any different?
Let me show you. Open the door.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Any different? Holy shit, that's louder. Woo! Oh, dude, that's louder. That's for sure louder. It's 2 weeks later and I finally got the tube that I broke in the mail. I ordered it online to save maybe like 30 bucks. So if you ever break your secondary air intake tube from the intake, you just go online and buy it instead of going to the dealership. Unless you need it. Honestly, my car didn't throw up any codes, so that's not a problem. So yeah, let's get started. First off, I'm gonna take off the bottom liner because I think the secondary air pump is like basically right behind this part of the bumper. So I'm gonna go under. I should be able to just reach for it and kind of pull it out. Okay, so the secondary air injection hose is right here. And if you go right under the car, this is the, I need a light. Right here, this pump right here is the secondary air injection pump. Well, see, I think this is a pretty good tape job. It didn't mess up, but you know, gotta make sure everything in my car is actually okay. All done. So I finished everything, all put back together, and my car is not broken. Oh, it's not broken, it could be. But here, this is good. And right under here, I plugged in the secondary air intake tube right where the light shine there. Done. My car is no longer broken. Well, that should end the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.